Hi, my name is Hunter Ballum. I am a co-owner and lead producer here at Moto Studios. We are a creative agency, so primarily working on video photo design work based out of Salt Lake City, Utah, and have been working with Papa and Leveraged Outbound for a few months now, and the process and work together really has been nothing but great. Total honesty here when I say we have worked with several different outbound agencies or individuals, and nothing compares. Our experience already has been just so much better with just even basic communication. Papa has gone above and beyond. He's timely. The team has been very responsive. The expectations that were set in the very beginning, I think were very fair, and they've gone above and beyond what they promised. Just the process in general as well. It felt like it was very transparent from the beginning, so it wasn't anything shady or some sort of mystery with what we're doing. It was very clear, and we feel like it's a process that can work, and we're already seeing some results from that, which is awesome. We know it can be a process. There's a lot to learn, a lot to test, and we've already had some successful meetings with proposals that have followed up those meetings, and we're excited to see where all that goes, where it continues to go. But if you're looking for outbound help, for sales help, would honestly just say look no further. Papa and team are great, so hopefully you're able to jump on board and have a great experience like we do.